వీక్షకులందరికీ శుభాభివందనాలు. ట్యూటర్స్ ప్రైవేట్ సంస్థ నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నటువంటి ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ టీచర్ ఎబిలిటీ ప్రోగ్రాంలకు మీ అందరినీ సాదరంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తూ
Namaste. Good evening, everybody. How are you, students? I hope you are doing well. Yes, I am fine. Thank you. Today I am going to tell you a story about Mallika and Laila. Mallika and Laila met at the Red Cross Society activities in Nizamabad. In Nizamabad, they met for Red Cross Society activity. At there, they are becoming good friends. They are becoming very, very good friends. After that, Laila decided to visit Mallika's house, and she wrote a letter and asked Mallika how can she reach to their house. Mallika sent a detailed sketch map to Laila. Okay. What is the sketch map? Just I'm going to show you Mallika's sketch map. I'm going to share my screen. Just you observe. This is the sketch map of Mallika. No, this is not. Wait for a second. Yes. Look carefully. Here is a sketch map. The direction shows first my left side of this picture. There is a bus stop and there is a marketplace. The arrows going on, that is the route map of the Mallika. First, bus stop to Bazaar Road, and there is a marketplace, there is a turn, and next there is a school and another turn. Then next, the last house of that street is Mallika's house. This is the sketch map of the Mallika. I'm going to ask you few questions. The one question is, can you reach Mallika's house with help of this map? Yes, we can easily reach the Mallika's house with the help of this map. The next one is, how many turns are there to reach the Mallika's house? Yes, one turn at marketplace and another turn at school, and we can easily reach the Mallika's house. There are two turns to reach the Mallika's house. Okay. You look into the map, there are squares with different colors. You think the squares are buildings or houses? The buildings are in actual size in this map? No, the buildings are very wide and very tall, but we are shown in this just only little square. So there are not shown building as actual their shape. Okay, right. The most important question. The most important question is, can you tell the direction which the Mallika's house situated? Can you tell the direction about this map, about this sketch map? You think. The second question is, can you tell the distance from bus stop to Mallika's house? You think. The last two questions are, the answer is no. There is any direction shown in this picture? No. There is any length, there is any distance shown in this map? The answer is no. So we can, Laila come to this village. Okay, Laila lived in Adilabad. She coming from Adilabad, and Mallika lived in Venkatapuram. Mallika reached the bus stop and they want to go to the Mallika's house. They began to walking. She is walking. Walking. They actually don't know what is the distance between the bus stop and the Mallika's house, but it's too far. When reached the Mallika's house, she told that, "Oh Mallika, how far your house is? If I know the distance from the bus stop, may I take one rickshaw or auto rickshaw?" Oh, sorry, Laila, I forget to mention distance in this map. Okay, next time when you visit again, I will compulsory shown to distance in my map. If you visit once again, you ask the auto rickshaw to go to the South Venkatapuram. How can I direct the South Venkatapuram? How can I know the south of this Venkatapuram village? Laila asked to Mallika. Because in this sketch map, there is no directions and there is no distance. So it is too difficult to Laila. Okay? Right. This is the sketch map we called. Actually, what is the sketch map and what is the map? Here is the most important question. What is the map and what is the sketch map? You are looking here, this is the sketch map. What is the sketch map? The roughly drawn and shown only basic things is called sketch map. Okay, a roughly drawn map that's shown only basic details, the only basic detail, that is called sketch map. And what is the map? Which map had or which map shows directions and distance or scale, it is called map. So map has directions and scales. Scale means distance. The sketch map has no distance and no scale and no directions. Okay, this is the difference between the sketch and map. Okay, what happened one pleasant evening in Venkatapuram? Mallika and Laila went for a walk. She walking on the bridge. I'm going to show you Venkatapuram bridge. Yes. This is the, you think, this is the real picture of bridge. There is a bridge and Laila Mallika walking through on the bridge, and there is a river and sun going to set. And look, you look into this picture, there are 6 electrical poles are there. Each two poles has same distance. Each pole has 100-meter distance. So the distance of the bridge is 500 meters. Okay, two pole has 100-meter distance. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 100. 500-meter distance the bridge has. Okay. After they reach to Malika's house, the Laila want to draw a map. So Malika need 500 meters paper. But is it possible? No, na. So how can we draw? Laila think she take the distance of proportion. She take the 100-meter equal to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeter equal to 100 meters. So it is very easy to just we need 25 centimeters paper only. Okay. The Malika draw this bridge to reduce the distance, proportion of the distance. 5 centimeter equal to 100 meters. So she can draw. How can she draw? You look here. I'm going to show you once again. Yes, this is the sketch map of the bridge. You see here, just it is a 25 centimeter of paper and she draw like this. Okay, this is the sketch map of the bridge. In this sketch map, there is no distance or no scale and there is no directions. Okay, so how can we find out the directions? Laila don't know South Venkatapuram place. She don't know about the directions. So we are going to know about the directions, right? Yes. Sorry. Right. Okay. Identification of directions. You look here, there is a sun rises. The girl standing towards the sun. The girl standing towards the sun or before the sun. What is she stand and looks the direction is east. So the sun rises in the east. So that is the direction of the east. The opposite direction of the east is west. Okay, right. The left side of the direction is north and the right side or right hand of the direction is south. Okay, right. These are the directions. We have 4 directions: east, west, north, south. It is very easy to identify the directions. You know very well because you are 6th class students. You know very well the direction of the northeast, southwest. Not only we have 4 directions, we have another 4 directions also. You know that? Okay. Upcoming classes we are going to discuss about the 4 other directions also. Right. This is the about directions. And we also know about the scale. 5 centimeter equal to 100 meters. We reduce the scale. That is called scale. Okay. Directions, scales. Those have, that is called map. Okay. I'm going to share my screen once again. You think? Okay. Yes. You see here. We are looking one sketch map. It is drawn by our hand only. There are curves. The curves are shown like roads. There are a junction and street segment. There is a cafe. The cafe is landmark. and there are library, there are city block, and there is bank, and there is a clock tower. This is the only sketch map. It is not map because it is not showing directions and distance. So it is only sketch map. I'm going to show you another sketch map also. Just colored sketch map we are showing. This is also sketch map. No, you see here the difference between the first map and this second map. You see here the right side up, under the right side there is a directions given: north, south, east, west, and there is a scale also we are looking here, so it is called map. Okay, right. You look here, this is India map drawn by a student with hand. It is called only sketch map because there is no direction and there is no distance, so it is a sketch map. You see here, yes, it is a map. It has the directions and scale. Left side below we have scale, and there is the directions given right side of the below. Okay, this is map. Okay, how many types of maps are there? So many types of maps are there. You are looking here, this is the one kind of map. Can you tell me what is this map? In this map all the states are shown and also their capital cities also. For example, Telangana state and capital of Hyderabad. There is Andhra Pradesh, capital of Amaravati. Okay, it is called political map. Districts, states, countries, when we shown, it is called political map. It is a one kind of map. The next one, what you are looking here? Yes, there are Himalayas and there is a Aravalli ranges and Western Ghats west side and east side Eastern Ghats. What are they? They are mountains. And there is a green color. There is a green color in the Gujarat. There is a plain in the before the Nepal colored with green color, that is plain, and there is a eastern coast and western coast. All those are plains. So mountains were shown, plains also were shown. Okay, and see here there is a Thar desert. Desert are also shown in this map, and there are rivers: Ganga River, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada. All these rivers are shown in this map. So all the physical structures shown the map, that is called physical map. This is the example of physical map. Okay, all the mountains, all the deserts, and all the coastal areas and all the rivers shown, that is called physical map. Okay, right. Next, next one, you look carefully. It is the ancient map. There are Kakatiyas. You see here, my cursor is there. There is Kakatiya kingdom. Okay, and here with pink color, there is a Delhi Sultanate, and there is Rajput area, Rajput kingdom, and this is the historian places. This is the about kingdoms, so it is called historical map. the history of the Kakatiyas, the history of the Delhi Sultanate, the history of the Rajputs. All these are shown in map. It is called historical map. Okay, right. Now next, it is also one of the example of historical map. We are shown in Vijayanagara Empire. The red colored, all that belongs to Vijayanagara Empire. This is the one of the historical map. Yes. What is this map? There are curves. They are showing about the climate. It's shown the climate. There are index here there. All the index and this map, India map, shown to the climate of the India. So it is the climate maps. Okay. The next one is, it is you are looking different now. What type of map it is called? Topographic maps. Topographic maps. This map belongs to surface of the earth shown by the satellite. It is the satellite picture. It's shown all the surface of the India. You look, how is our India? So we have so many maps, type of maps. Particularly, one is we have so many maps, or we have so many kinds of maps. The first one is political map. The second one is physical map. The third one is historical map. And the fourth one is climate map. And fifth one is topographic maps. So many maps we have. We have pictorial map, demographic map, specific map. So many maps are there, but enough to know this only. Okay. The first one is political map. The second one is physical map. Third one is historical map. These three are the most important for your class. And also we have discussed about the climate map and also photographic map. All these are kinds of maps. Okay, right. Now, what is the use of map? Is the maps are tell something to ourselves? Is the maps are tell something? Yes, maps are give so much information, and we have so many uses, and we know the so many knowledge from the map. Okay, so what are the uses of map? Simple. There is a place like Warangal urban district, and there is another place like Telangana, and there is a Jammu Kashmir, and there is a Gujarat. These are the places. Some are districts and some are states, and there is a India. It is one of the country, and so many countries we have. So all the places we can easily identify with the help of the map. We can easily identify with the help of the map, and also we know where they are. Where they are, we can easily identify with the help of the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, right. The next, we can easily identify the seas or oceans. The water bodies on the earth we can easily identify, and we can easily identify the mountain ranges and rivers and desert. All the physical structures we can easily find out with the help of the map. Where is the desert? A Thar desert located? Yes, we give information with the help of the map. We can easily identify, yes, Thar desert located in Rajasthan, because it is too long far away from Telangana, but we can easily say the Thar desert located in Rajasthan. How it is possible? With the help of the map. And also we can say about the weather, the place, how it is cool and how it is hot. There are so many hot places are there and there is so many cool places are there. Yesterday we learned about the Europe continent. North, and we can also find out the rainy places. Where is the rain? Where is the heavy rain places? Where are the heavy rain places? And where are the low rain places? You can easily identify with the help of the map, and we can easily identify the forests or different kinds of trees, and we can easily identify the peoples, their settlements, and also climate. How is the climate in all over the world, all over the India, and all over the Telangana? You can easily find out with the help of the map. We always see in the news, at the end of the news, they are shown to me weather report. How can say? How can they give information about the weather? With the help of the map only. Okay, right. So maps tell us several things. All these are. We can easily identify the places where they are. We can easily identify the water bodies, seas, oceans, rivers, mountains, deserts, how the places are cold and how the places are hot, and rainy places, low rainy places, kinds of tree or forests, people of that particular place, and their settlements and climate and population. All these are we know from the maps. So these are the maps and kinds of maps. Okay, right. I'm going to show you once again. I'm going to share my screen once again. Just you identify, just you observe my picture. Okay, right. Yes, I'm going to show you one picture. You look here. Yes. Are you seeing this picture? There are some symbols are there. There are some symbols are there. You identify. Okay. Yes, my cursor going on. Yes, you observe that. Yes, this one. You are looking now. That is the symbol of masjid or mosque. And here is there is a dot lines. That means that is a kacha road. And here is straight line. That is shown a pakka road. That is a metal road or pakka road or cement road. But it is a only kacha road. Okay. Next, you see all these are squares. Exactly not squares. And here is the squares. And here is the squares with color gray color. All these are houses or settlements. Houses, buildings or settlements, all these are. And there is a, you look here with blue color, it is a tank. It is a tank. And here is, there is a line. There is a line and crossed with some other lines. It is a just meter gauge rail. Okay. And here is, you see here, black, white. It is a broad gauge railway. That is meter gauge railway. This is broad gauge railway. Okay.
Available on Tutoring.
I will be available on tutorsprite.com.
और मैं ट्विटर पर भी हमेशा अवेलेबल हूँ.
Available on tutorsprite.
I will be available on Tutorsprite.
నేను ట్విటర్ స్ప్రైట్లో అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటాను.
I will be available on Tutorsprite.
I will be available in tutorsprite. I will be available at tutorsprite.
And I'll be available on Tutorsprite.
Yes, I'm going to share my screen. We are discussing about the symbols. Okay, there are so many symbols used in maps. I'm going to share my screen once again. You see here. Yes, this is the map of showing symbols. Already we know the symbols. Yes, you look here. You look here. Yes, symbol. The first one is tree symbol. The second one is tank. The third one is Kacha road. And the next one is a Pakka road. And temple, masjid, church, meter gauge railway, and broad gauge railway. These are the main important symbols used in maps. Okay. Okay, in this lesson, we are discussing about the what is the sketch map and what is the map, and what are the difference between the map and sketch map. Okay, and what are the symbols are using in the map, and what are the useful, what are the uses of map. That's it only. Thank you very much.